In this video, I will show you how to make an increase single crochet and double crochet stitch. The abbreviation of increase is INC. Most pattern designers won't use his abbreviation in their pattern. They simply say to make 2 single crochet or 2 double crochet in the next stitch, as it is easy for beginners to understand. To make an increase single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch where the increase stitch is to be made. Wrap the yarn over the hook and pull through the stitch. You should have 2 loops on your hook. Again, yarn over and pull through these 2 loops. This will become a single crochet SC stitch. Now again go into the same stitch and make another single crochet in the same stitch. This is called increase single crochet stitching SC or SC ink. So basically making 2 stitches in the same stitch is called increase stitch. An increase stitch in a circle is made to increase the size of a circle. Before going into the stitch in which you want to make an increase, double crochet, wrap the yarn over the hook and then insert the hook into that stitch, then wrap the yarn and pull the hook out through that stitch. Three loops on your hook. Wrap the yarn and pull through, only 2 loops. 2 loops will be left on the hook. Again, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This will become a double crochet DC stitch. Now again wrap the yarn over and go into the same stitch and make another DC in the same stitch. This is called a double crochet increase DC ink stitch. Simply make 2 DC in the same stitch called increase double crochet DC ink stitch.
Have a nice day. Thanks for watching this video.